Hey everyone! Today, I'm making a savory ground beef and bell pepper stir-fry served over fluffy steamed rice dash, a super simple and delicious meal you can whip up in no time. Let's get cooking. You'll need 280 grams ground beef, 1 medium-size red bell pepper, one medium-sized green bell pepper, small size onion, heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the ground beef and cook until brown, breaking it apart as it cooks. Add the ginger, garlic, and onion. Sauté for a minute until fragrant. Then toss in the bell peppers and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until tender crisp. Add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and black pepper. Stir well to coat everything. Serve the savory ground beef and bell pepper stir-fry over your steamed rice. Delicious, colorful, and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick and tasty meals. Thanks for watching.